just in case.
Oh.
Yeah.
March of 05.
Oh, fine, okay. So it's just been sitting for a while, huh? Yeah.
20-some years.
20 years. Well, it looked pretty good, but
It was
20
probably
years
in a
Huh?
garage.
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah, it was in a huge garage.
Or was it a
inside.
warehouse or
Old
something?
Richmond. Collected tractors.
Good morning, family. I'm down here on the farm and the Lady of the Valley Community Garden down here in Balsam Park. Willie and the man is here and they're discussing, talking about the tractor. I hope this is a good view. I can't see, the sun is kind of bright this morning. And I hope I got the camera turned the right way this time. I thought I had it the right last time. I did, but anyway. They're talking and discussing, so.
Okay. Actually, I got it in 8.
They're talking about the military now. So,
Yeah, I was in between that too. I didn't.
Glad.
Yeah.
We almost went to Iran when they had conflict at the hospital. That we don't get ready to get on the plane and get off.
Oh wow.
He called on at the last minute to get the power.
Yeah, I was kind of in between that too. But I did go to Okinawa and Philippines. You know, worked on aircraft over
Okay,
there.
that's good.
all
Good.
right. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Fine. I'm recording just a little.
Right on. This is a beautiful machine right here.
Thank you. I hope it run like that.
Well,
I'm gonna try to keep it covered up.
I can tell right now there's no fuel in it.
Oh, good. I got the fuel right there.
There
He told me, in a new
is.
battery, he told me to bring.
There's this line here should be hooked up
Right.
because that's where it's going to get fuel
Oh, okay.
to fill up the float bowl for the
okay.
carburetor.
Okay.
But we might be able to maybe spray it with some brake clean to see if it'll at least fire, you
Right.
know, and run. Yeah, that there's a choke.
That's it. Yeah, I don't know nothing, so you can explain that.
Well, we're gonna learn a little bit together because this is older than I am. Believe that.
I don't know how you can start it up.
Well, you got the key. It's got a key or
It got
not?
a bike top, a level, I think.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. It had a little juice when they brought it,
Yeah.
but the guys, they tried to start it when they brought it up from Miami.
Okay, and it
Didn't start.
wouldn't turn over.
And so when it got here, just had a little juice.
So you want to put it to work?
I want to put it to work. It got to go to work for at least 50 years. The guy told me that if I take care of it, it should get at least another 50 years maybe.
I wouldn't see why not. They built them to last back in the
Okay.
day. What year is it?
55.
Wow.
Yeah, it's 1955.
It's
And loose right
fine.
there, it starts filling up, huh?
Yes. And like I said, let's try to spray it first.
Okay.
And we need to get a good battery in it,
Okay,
right?
1,000. Just in case.
Oh. March of 05.
Oh, fine. Okay. So it's just been sitting for a while, huh? Yeah.
20-some
20
years.
years. Well, it looked pretty good, but
It was
20 years
probably
later,
in a
Huh?
garage.
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah, it was in a huge garage.
Or was it a
inside.
warehouse or
Old
something?
Richmond. He
Wow.
collected it. Apple.
Yeah. We had that in our yard actually
Oh, okay.
growing up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. We had a lot of
that battery he pulled out was from 2005. Even though they said it looked good, but it was from 2005, the old battery they pulled out. That's because this tractor was sitting in like a warehouse with other tractors that were with the men's collectibles collection of tractors that he had. So that's why the battery looked so good and looked so well preserved, even though it's a 2005.
12 or 13 we used to.
Okay, I'm going to walk back up here. I went and helped my aunt out with something, answered her question, what she needed. Got her taken care of, so I'm walking back up here. See what, they're still here. He did get the battery put in.
They either rusted out or tighten that jacket up. just to hear it, you know, because we don't know if it's got spark. You know, it's gonna have to have spark
Right.
to.
He retired about 10 years ago. So now he just.
I want to see if it's got any spark here.
I hope it does.
You know, if it don't, then,
Come on.
you know what I mean. I don't even have a wrench for that.
What kind of wrench do you need?
I just need to hold that like right there.
Right there? Like that?
Just a little bit, just to see if the if spark will.
Okay.
But like to be mindful of the you know, you don't want to get
Touch it? You want me to touch it?
just to hold it a little bit away from it.
Oh, okay.
It's not firing.
No.
No.
Is that spark plug?
Well, even if the plug was bad, it should still be shooting
Oh,
spark
okay.
out of it. So. Yeah, that should have shot spark out.
Oh, okay.
So we not only do we have a fuel issue, but we have spark issue.
Now, you guys got a tow, could you guys tow it to the shop?
Yes, we could bring a trailer and put it up, pull it up on the trailer.
That'd be the best thing. Huh?
Probably, to be honest with you, that way
probably
I'm
save
not
some money that
running
way.
back
Right,
and
right.
forth and.
Right. Yeah, I'll probably do that.
And to be honest, we're gonna have to clean the carburetor for sure. Get it to fire,
Right.
the spark. Thank goodness it turns over. That's a plus right there.
That's the best thing. Now this tire had air on it, in it, when it brought it, but it was like losing air.
Yeah, it's,
And when it came off the trailer, and it started rolling it off, it did this. So it was flat right.
yeah, it's been around for a while.
So it looked like I need new tires, huh?
I would get it running first,
Okay.
you know,
right,
before you start buying accessories and stuff like that.
Right. So when you guys get it running down at the shop, then you call me and say, hey, might as well get the tires on it now.
Well, yeah, we could do that out there,
Right.
you know, at the shop.
Right.
But first, let's get it running.
Okay.
If it was mine, that's what I'd want to.
Okay,
I'd
that's
want to
fine.
hear it run.
Right. Okay, yeah. We'll get that done.
Okay, family.
All of us.
Okay, so they're going to have to call sometime this week. Today is Monday, October the 27th, 2025. So they are going to have to call, come back. So probably Thursday or Friday, they will come down here with their tractor trailer and pick up the tractor and take it back to the shop so he can work on it and do some more research on it. So to get it cranking and everything, because it won't turn over, it has no spark. So it needs a lot more work done on it. So clean the fuel and all that kind of stuff out and get it to working and run. And that will save us a little bit more money because, like you said, instead of coming out back and forth, paying the amount of money that we're paying per hour, it's best to just have it towed down there to the shop and let them work on it, get it running, get it fixed, and we'll go from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and say goodbye from Lily of the Valley Community Garden. And this is Aquila, and y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I certainly did. And I will keep you updated, and have a wonderful day. God bless.